the problem with psychological wounds and distortions is that you can't see them. I mean, it's literally as sort of simple as that. You can't see them. If I've got a broken arm, right? Everyone can see that I've got a broken arm. And you start to go, okay, the guy's like messed up his speech because he's got a bit of a broken arm. He must be in pain. And when he's going to walk through the door, we'll hold the door open. We'll make some special accommodation because we know he's not all that well in some way. It's just obvious he's got a problem. The thing is that all of us are kind of like that broken inside in various key ways, but there's no easy way of signaling it, right? We can't signal that we've got these wounds and breakages, etc. And so our partners don't necessarily give us the accommodation that they would. And that's why it's so important to realize that, of course, wandering through the world, everybody is very severely broken and in need of a lot of forgiveness and generally, on the whole, not mean, just frightened. Most people are very, very scared, and the most appalling pieces of behavior normally have fear at the heart of them rather than evil.